abantu bakaNkulunkulu basukile kuNkulunkulu bahleli kwi-understanding yokuthi uNkulunkulu ubani. It is for a reason iBhayibheli likaNkulunkulu lithi imicabango yakhe engaphezulu kweyethu nendlela zakhe zingaphezulu kwezethu. Lemqondo yethu emncane cannot comprehend izinto zasezulwini. I don't care how many revelations you have. I don't care ukuthi unama gift amangakanani, but the reason he is called God ingoba yena ungaphezulu kwethu. The biggest mistake ama believers ayenzayo is thinking ukuthi now they have clocked uNkulunkulu. It is thinking now ukuthi they know God. Ngoba sibonile imangaliso swazile ama prophecy, we think we know him better. It is for a reason he is God. Your mind will never comprehend imfihlakalo zasezulwini. That is why lithizwi lakhe uwodwa umthombo ophilileyo, hayi le esisigubhela yona ngenxa yemicabango yethu yokuthi uNkulunkulu simazi kanjani. Sesizimbela imithombo yethu evuzayo engakwazi ukubamba amanzi. That's why we are running dry, asikho fulfilled, somile. It is because we are leaning, we understanding, of which uma sifuna ukunderstand izinto zikaNkulunkulu kuzomele siline kuyena kuphela. But manje singabazalwana bahamba ukuthi mina ngimazi uNkulunkulu enje. iBhayibheli lakhe lithi kanje, uNkulunkulu yena wenze kanje. Bazalwana sibuyeleni uNkulunkulu manje. Enough about quoting the verses, kodwa sihlale kumnikazi. uNkulunkulu sinikezile izinto afuna sisebenzise ukuze siphakamise umbuso wakhe. Kodwa sinabazalwana abagqiba izinto zikaNkulunkulu bahlala kuzona bese bayembela imithombo eceleni abazophuza kona amanzi, but amanzi ayavuza. The minute you think ukuthi you have clocked uNkulunkulu, you stop seeking. The minute you think you have clocked uNkulunkulu, you stop growing. For as long as you live in the flesh, usaphila kule nyama, you will never clock God. Wanje awumazi akazambona. So leaning in the understanding yaloko fundiswe yimina, because the 2 hours of spend in the church ngitshela revelation that I have about the word, my own understanding, loko kusengqondweni yami. Lean not in your own understanding. Bazalwane, let us go back to God. Asihlalene enyaweni zakhe. Bazalwane, our minds are so small. Ukuze sithe phethu imfihlakalo yezulu kuzomele sisebenze. Don't think when usuyibambile, don't think ukuthi usuhamba naye noma usuyibambile, but keep seeking. So when he returns, you have something to show ukuthi lokho nginikeze kona nakho I have multiplied. uNkulunkulu wouldn't have given us lezi zinto asinikeze zona if ayefuna ukuthi sihlale nazo. Kodwa lokho asinikeze kona ufuna sihambe sengaphandle sikufafaze and harvest some more. He is God, wayengazenzela yena, but he has given us the grace yokwazana naye ngoba kukumusa ukwazana noNkulunkulu. Now the mandate iyodwa ukuthi sihlale umthonjeni ongamanzi aphilileyo. The mandate iyodwa ukuthi asigqibeke lemthombo esesivulile. Imthombo ke iminingi. Anything that you worship umthombo ngesiyena uNkulunkulu. Anything ethatha isikhathi sakho umthombo ngesiyena uNkulunkulu. That is why ungakwazi nokubamba izinto zikaNkulunkulu, because awusekho emthonjeni okuyiwona wona. Izinto zikaNkulunkulu zinomthombo ezihlala kuwona. There is a special well la izinto zikaNkulunkulu zihlala khona. And uma uzithatha uzifaka la ngamele zihlale khona, they will seep out, angeke zize zihlale zizophuma. Sibonakala singabazalwana abastagnant, sibonakala singabazalwana who are not progressing. It is because umthombo kuwona wona sisukile ku. Sesihamba ngeunderstanding yokuthi uNkulunkulu simaze ubani. That will be our demise. There are consequences for not doing the will of God. And if God esinikeza izinto zakhe and thina bese siyazithukusa sihlale phekwazo ukuze accommodate abantu, ukuze sijabulise abantu, angeke izikingdom yakhe iphakame. Meaning iqiniso likaNkulunkulu kuzomela silikhulume lilibi linjalo libhlungu linjalo so that we can make returns ukuze mebuya uNkulunkulu ibandla lakhe libe landile. But if we're gonna sit on the truth of God, ngoba sithi thina siyasaba, siyazi ukuthi yena he will do the job, that ain't it. We have a mandate bazalwane. Yokugijimisa izwi likaNkulunkulu, yokuhambisa ubuNkulunkulu. And angeke ke sikwazi ukwenza lokho ngemicabango yethu. Angeke sikwazi ukwenza lokho ngokubona kwethu. Don't care noma ngabe umzwe kuphi, noma ngabe ama revelation athini. Uthi yena ezwini lakhe imicabango yakhe ngaphezulu kweyakho, you will never clock God. This requires a spiritual humbleness where you keep seeking noma ngabe usuyambona noma ngabe usuyamuzwa noma ngabe usufila ngathi usugcwele amandla but you keep seeking. That is spiritual humbleness. Into eqeda abazalwane ke it is spiritual pride. I know God. I am very powerful. I'm a prayer warrior. I preach the words. When are you seeking him? Asinendaba ukuthi uthandaza kangakanani, asinendaba ukuthi uthandaze nini. Seek your God, I will seek my God. Asingamreduce kuNkulunkulu sizomfaka ku brain yethu ebuye ifihlale la emhlabeni. Kumele simenze abe uNkulunkulu because unguNkulunkulu yena mkhulu. We will never be like him. Even ngisho esethumela uJesu emhlabeni kwangimela amreduce to level yethu lithizwe he was made a little lower than the angels. Then who are you to think you have clocked God?